Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Yapzor. Today I want to take you through the process of how to join a meeting on Google Meet. So probably you've seen Zoom meetings and all that, but you probably not seen Zoom meetings yet. So to join a a Google Meet meeting, there are various ways. You can be sent a link. So for example, there is this meeting that is ongoing that I want to join. So let me just type in the link. So I just typed on. So let me just type in the link here. So like Zoom have their links. We also have the Meet link starting with meet.google.com slash and you have the distance. So we have meet.google slash the meeting code. So this particular meeting JWB hyphen MRTY hyphen JEB. So let's say a meeting like this. So since it's I'll just open it on my private WhatsApp chat. So now, just by clicking on it, the link, it gives you the option of which account to use. So we have these three. So I'll use Yapzor account to log in. So it opens up. So you ask to join. So before you join, you can see that my light is very bad here. I'm not using any lightning. It's just in the night. So you can turn off the camera if you want to join with the camera. You can turn off the audio if you want to join with the audio. And you just join and the person admits you in. And that's basically how you get to join. So when you join in, what you must notice, there are many people who will be there. So there are many people who are going to be on the meeting. And because there are many people that are going to be there, it's advisable you mute yourself. If you want to raise your hand, you can raise your hand here. And when you raise your hand, the person who is there gives you the opportunity to speak. And another thing is we have something called pin. So if the person, so this particular person, let's say there's someone already on board, the person is sharing, person is doing something that you are actually interested in. So the person is sharing the laptop screen. So for example, you can see that this person Joe is sharing his laptop screen, his YouTube channel screen. So others can also be talking and you may be distracted from the screen. What you do is you click on this, the pin. So when you give full screen to Joe, whatever that he's presenting, you're able to have a full view of it. You can rotate your phone and it will show in full view. So basically that is how you are going to enjoy yourself on this particular meeting. So thank you very much for going through this video with me. I hope it really helps you in a way. If you're also to join the meeting on Zoom on Google, what you do is, let me just search here. So we have, so probably on the same listen. So you go to Google Meet, you just search Google Meet, and with Google Meet it gives you the opportunity to type in the link. So you just type in the link here and it takes you over to that particular meeting. So thank you very much for watching this video and I hope it was helpful to you. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Bye.